John Abad, I am 14 years old, and now I am in La Oroya, one of the most polluted cities in the world. It's in the top 5. And here I want to tell you that this factory hasn't been working for 10 years, the majority of their operations, and the contamination here is very high. As you can see, the mountains are not like it has to be, and the population have gone to another part. And the problem with Aurora is a high volume of plomo, and it affects many parts of the body. And here I want to tell you that as a person, as a community, we have to tell our government to be responsible in the natural environment, so that your city in the future won't be like this. We have to order the government not to do that with our planet, because the planet is for everybody.
As we know, our planet is having an environmental crisis. Pollution affects many components of the ecosystem, such as water and air. Therefore, our lakes, rivers, oceans are in danger. Marine pollution, which is a combination of chemicals and trash, results in damage to the environment, to the health of all organisms, and economic structures worldwide. That's why I decided to take action. I decided to be an advocate for our planet. Since 2018, I started by managing massive ocean cleanup. It has been such a great experience to share moments making awareness for our ocean's health. Youth, students, city hall workers, all of us united for this cause. Also, I had the opportunity to talk with a minister of the environment of that time to discuss plastic pollution in many areas of Lima. For my campaign, I decided to research deeply this problem in my community, along with my mentor PhD Lita Harris, specifically in the most polluted beach in Peru, Marquez Beach. Located in the capital of Peru, this place contains a lot of trash and plastic that is thrown through the river and the ocean current. Let me illustrate you where the water comes from. First, let's go to the majestic Andes. At more than 5,500 meters above sea level, the coastal rivers are born. Throughout its way to urban areas, such as Lima, I decided to take samples and analyze them. In this video, this water is relatively clean, but this is how it looks like in Lima City. When it reaches the ocean, it is sadly contaminated. I analyzed 6 samples from Marquez to identify and quantify the type of trash and how it fluctuates during 3 months. So, this is what I found. Now 9,123 pieces of trash per meter square on average. Macro trash 243 and microplastic 8,880. The most common types of macro trash are industrial wood, plastic fragments, and bags. Besides, foam contributes to more than 95% of the total quantity of microplastic. Apart from that, one of the most interesting objects found was a teddy bear, along with a lot of trash. This data shows us that this place needs action from the community and decision makers. I interviewed a leader of the neighborhood council who explained to me the lack of measures from the government and the social consequences from this perspective. In the following weeks, chemical analysis will be done to identify how contaminated the river is when it meets the ocean. Why do I do this research? I have loved the ocean since I was a child, and it is vital to take care of it. Our environment is what houses our ecosystem and allows it to evolve and prosper. Without protecting and taking care of it, we are putting so many lives in danger, such as animals, plants, crops, and even our own. The ecosystems that make up our world are profoundly connected. Also, I strongly believe we should give future generations an environment that is not damaged and teach them how to live sustainably. Let's save our planet. together.